Diwali to my Indian family. This is such a beautiful time to be in India. There's just so much energy around. It's just such a beautiful festival, and it's one of the ones that I've grown to love over the last few years being in India. So I wanted to make a Diwali special today on Sarah's Table, so let's do it. So for my Diwali special, I'm going to be making ricotta Gujiya, and I'm going to flavor it with a little bit of orange zest and give it some nice delicate flavors in there, and then serving it with a Jaggery butterscotch as well. So I think these flavors are very festive and celebratory. So to get started, I'm going to make my dough in with our ghee, and we have ice cold water. The only way to do it is to get your fingers into it. So you want to keep this quite crumbly, and you don't want to overwork it either. But then when you pick up a piece, you can press it together and it comes together nicely. So that dough has come together nicely. We want to set this aside for 5 minutes just so I can rest. In the meantime, I'm going to make my filling. So what we have here is some ricotta cheese. I have some roasted semolina, some cinnamon powder, and a little bit of sugar. Now my sauce that I'm creating here is quite sweet, so I want to keep this quite mild and not too sweet. So I've got some orange zest as well. It just adds a really beautiful flavor to the filling. And that is perfect. Now I have been practicing, but let's see if my Gujia rolling and folding skills have improved. So we've got our dough. So we want to make our little flat disc-like shapes, nice and thin. And now for our filling. We've got our ricotta orange filling. Place your filling inside, and now we just want to place water around the outside so that it binds together. So Gujia can have many different types of fillings, and if you like, you can add paneer instead if you can't find ricotta. Then press that together, and then now for the squeeze and fold. A tight squeeze, and then fold just past where you squeeze. Press with your thumb, and then fold. I'm pretty impressed with myself, I have to say. Now I'm going to make my Jaggery butterscotch. So we've got a pan. Here we have Jaggery. So this you want to caramelize. So into the pan, bring it up to temperature, let it melt and bubble away until it starts going quite caramel. So place in a little bit of water, and now we want this one to dissolve and start to caramelize. So this takes quite a few minutes, so just be patient. I love the smell of Jaggery. Our oil is hot, so I'm going to pop these in and fry them off. With making caramel, it's really simple. Don't get too nervous. You can push it a little bit and get that really rich, deep caramel color, because that's when you get the flavor. And another tip with this one, just don't stir. You can just put the sugar in, add the water, and just let it go. It'll start to bubble away. So now in with the butter. I'm going to add in a little pinch of salt and some cream. That is perfect. Alrighty, they are done. They're golden and crispy, and even I'm excited to eat these ones. So I'm going to plate up now. Sauce. And inspired by Rangoli, I want to add in some beautiful edible flowers. There you have it, my orange and ricotta filled Gujia. So I've started with this Diwali special because India is so close to my heart, but I'm going to be cooking a bunch of different recipes for you all. So make sure you comment below and tell me what you want to see. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Sarah's Table because there's a lot more coming your way. Happy Diwali!